guys, thanks for tuning into the video today. Today I'm going to be talking about putting together a wedding invitation that maybe has a little bit more than your standard invitation. This is a custom project that I did for somebody in my area that is having a wedding in Greece. So it's super Greek inspired, which was a lot of fun, and I kind of just wanted to make sure that you guys could see all the extra little details you can add that really bring a suit together. The final part put together is going to look like this. It has 2 enclosure cards, the invitation, belly band, and then they did do an envelope that has a liner in it as well. So I'm gonna be talking about that. And I'm gonna start off by showing you all the pieces that we have today. So this is the actual invitation, and the back has the blue watercolor on it, which is super pretty. And then she wanted to do a map of Santorini, so I did something customized, and this is where they're actually getting married, which I thought was super sweet. And she did an itinerary on the back just for her guests to have a good idea of when they need to be, certain places, and where they are. And then we did a meal choice card. Since her wedding is in Greece, she already knew which guests were coming, so she just needed to know what meals they wanted. And then they did the printed envelopes with an envelope liner, and we have a belly band that holds it all together. So now that you know the pieces we have, I'm going to kind of go through and talk about how I would do it. So I'm going to move this to the side really quick. So this is going to be your bottom layer, your invitation. Now this we did front and back just to kind of save on cost. So you can put it this way and you can put it this way. I'm going to lay it down this way just so that we have the beautiful itinerary, but honestly it's going to get covered by the meal choice card anyway. So then you're going to take your card that's just a little bit smaller, and we did do an envelope as well, so I'm going to stick that behind and I'm going to lay that on top. So now you have everything layered how you want it to be. Now for belly bands, what I normally do is I like to use something called glue dots, and I'm going to link those in the description, but I actually don't have any on hand today for the first time. So what I did is I just took my double-sided tape and I put a little strip here, and I'm not going to peel it off yet. So what I like to do is lay it across the middle. Now things are going to get a little funky when you're trying to do this just because you're going to be moving, but we can fix it. But just so you can see how tight you need to make it, I'm going to put it in the middle and I'm going to flip this side around, and then I'm going to hold it and I'm going to pull this side as much as I can so that I can get it as flat and hold everything in tight, and then wrap it around and press down. Now that I have those lines made out, I'm going to come over here and just take the, I don't know what it's called, backing to the double-sided tape off so that it will stick. And then I'm going to pull it tight, lay it down flat, and there you go. So now this is going to be all messed up because we kind of moved it around a little bit. So we're just going to line that back up to how we want it. And then we'll put this to the side. Now, for the envelope and the envelope liner, you're going to open this up. Now, every envelope can be different. There are square flaps and all different Euro flaps, and all your liner is going to be customized to whatever that is, but you can just take that and slide it in. Now, what's fun about these is you can do it the other way if you wanted your watercolor to look a little different, but it's really that easy. You don't really have to tape it down. I would, but just to make this video go a little bit faster because I know I'm talking a lot, I'm not gonna do it, but you would tape that down, and then you're just gonna take your invitation, try to do it as flat as you can, slide it in, and then it looks like that, and your guests are gonna love it, and they've got their address printed and the return addressing. I don't want to fold it just because I haven't bent this yet, but that's how it goes. Now this is a custom project I did, so I don't have it listed on my site for sale, but if you are interested in something like this, you can send me a message. I have my website links down below, and I also have my email, so you can send me a direct message as well. Or if you are just someone that's trying to figure out how to put your stuff together, I hope this helped you out. Alright, well, happy wedding planning, guys, and thanks for watching.